Okay, if you want to open some of the UV polygons or points, you can use UV Unstitch. This UV Unstitch just work in polygons, and it does not work in the edge and in the point. For example, in the point, you can select some point from here, and you can use the Unstitch tool. If you use Unstitch UV tool, it's open a gap between, and you can see it's open a gap between the points that you selected. If you want, you can do something like that. If you go to the polygon mode, if you go to the edge mode, you can see Unstitch UV is turned off. If you go to the polygon mode, you can select some polygon, and if you use Unstitch, it make this island that you selected smaller and detach the UV polygon from the neighborhood points. You can see it's doing something like that. So Unstitch is doing like that. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.